Many runners often feel frustrated when their shoes don't give them the comfort or support they need, which can hurt their performance and even lead to injuries. The good news is there are running shoes built to deliver lightweight feel, cushioning, and durability, perfect for both training and races. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best running shoes available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these running shoes, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Brooks Ghost 16 running shoes, a model created for runners who want both comfort and performance during training or races. These shoes are built to give you a smooth, cushioned ride that keeps your feet protected mile after mile. One of their biggest highlights is the responsive midsole, which balances impact absorption with softness. This means every step feels light and supportive, making them a great choice for long-distance runs or simply for staying comfortable on your feet for hours. Even with all that cushioning, they remain surprisingly lightweight, weighing around 10 ounces. This keeps your stride quick and natural, making the Ghost 16 an incredibly versatile shoe. You can wear them for a light jog, a long run, or even just a casual walk without feeling weighed down. The upper part of the shoe is designed to give you a secure but flexible fit. It adapts naturally to the shape of your foot, so you don't get that stiff or uncomfortable feeling that some running shoes can cause. Each stride feels supported and comfortable. Durability is also a big win here. Thanks to their sturdy rubber outsole, these shoes deliver reliable traction on different surfaces, whether it's dry pavement or slightly wet roads. That stable grip helps you feel more confident no matter where you're running. The Ghost 16 is especially ideal for runners with a neutral stride, meaning your foot doesn't roll too far inward or outward when landing. This gives you a smoother, more balanced transition with every step. Another great point is their versatility. They work well for recovery days, steady training runs, or even faster-paced sessions. On top of that, they come in a wide range of sizes and modern colors, so you'll easily find a pair that matches both your performance needs and your personal style. They are comfortable, lightweight, and dependable running shoes, perfect for anyone looking for a reliable partner on every run. Next up, we have the ADIDAS NLD 99 running shoes, a pair that blends comfort, style, and sustainability all in one. These shoes are built to deliver a smooth ride while also giving you a fresh and modern look. One of their strongest features is the cloud foam midsole, which provides a soft and lightweight cushion. Every step feels padded and natural, making them perfect for tough workouts or just everyday wear. Even after hours of use, your feet stay comfortable and less fatigued. A standout detail is the sock-like upper design, which slips on easily and hugs your foot for instant comfort. This flexible fit lets you move freely while still keeping the support you need. Plus, they give you the option to wear them without laces for quick convenience, or add traditional laces if you want extra security during runs. Another important point is their use of 20% recycled materials, making them not only reliable but also more eco-friendly. With this design, ADIDAS reduces waste while still offering high performance, which is a big win for both runners and the environment. The durable rubber outsole adds long-lasting traction and stability, especially on city streets. Whether you're walking, jogging, or doing more intense training, you can count on steady grip and confidence with every step. Style also plays a big role here. Their modern and clean design comes with reflective details that boost visibility in low light conditions, adding an extra layer of safety when running at night or early in the morning. These running shoes combine comfort, lightweight performance, eco-friendly materials, and sleek style. They're a versatile option for runners looking for reliable support during workouts, while also being stylish enough for casual wear. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the New Balance KAIHA Road Phi 1 running shoes, a pair designed to deliver a smooth and comfortable ride from the very first step. These shoes are all about blending soft cushioning, stability, and style, making them a solid choice for runners of all levels. They feature the brand's most advanced Fresh Foam X technology, which creates a light and cushioned stride while reducing the impact on your joints. This makes long runs feel easier and more comfortable, giving you that perfect balance between softness and performance. The seamless mesh and synthetic upper is another strong point. It provides a sleek, modern look while also eliminating friction spots, so you won't have to worry about irritation during extended training sessions. The breathable material also helps keep your feet cool and dry, even on hot days or intense workouts. Durability comes from the sturdy rubber outsole built to handle daily wear and tear while maintaining steady traction on a variety of surfaces. Whether you're running at a faster pace or just going for a casual walk, the grip keeps you stable and confident. For the fit, these shoes come with traditional laces, allowing you to adjust the tightness exactly how you like it. This adds a layer of security, especially for runners who want their shoes to feel locked in during workouts. Inside, the soft lining enhances comfort, letting you wear them for hours without discomfort. What really makes them stand out is their versatility. They perform well during recovery walks, daily training, and even personal record attempts. On top of that, they come in a wide range of sizes and stylish colors, making them suitable not only for workouts but also for casual wear. These running shoes are lightweight, versatile, and highly cushioned, making them an excellent choice for anyone seeking comfort and style with every stride. Now, let's move on to the ALLSWIFIT running shoes, a model created for people who want comfort and security not only while running, but also for everyday use. These shoes are built to give you reliable support, modern style, and all-day comfort. They feature a thick EVA foam midsole that provides excellent cushioning. This helps absorb impact on your joints while giving you a smooth bounce with each step. On top of that, the extra padded insole boosts overall comfort, offering extra support even during long runs or extended walks. Stability is another strong point. The shoes include an X-shaped anti-torsion plate that prevents sudden twists and lowers the risk of ankle injuries. The 3D textured upper adds durability and ensures a snug, supportive fit, giving you confidence with every movement. When it comes to convenience, they come with elastic laces that don't need tying, along with a slightly flared collar that makes them quick to slip on and off. This makes them both practical and stylish at the same time. The multi-layer breathable mesh keeps your feet cool, while the soft elastic lining avoids irritation, even after hours of wear. Their non-slip rubber outsole gives dependable traction on different surfaces and holds up well against daily wear and tear. With just simple care, they stay in great shape for a long time. Every detail is focused on comfort. The combination of the cushioned insole and EVA midsole delivers a light, fatigue-reducing feel, especially during long-distance use. Available in a variety of modern colors and designs, these shoes easily fit both training and casual outfits. Perfect for running, walking, gym sessions, or simply as daily sneakers, the running shoes are versatile, comfortable, and practical, balancing style and functionality for any situation. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the Brooks CASCADIA 16 running shoes, a solid choice for anyone who wants comfort and confidence while tackling mountain trails or rough outdoor paths. These shoes are designed to give you stability, cushioning, and protection so you can focus on enjoying the run. One of the main highlights is the DNA Loft version 2 cushioning, which is 10% softer and 20% lighter than before. On top of that, the midsole has an extra 2 millimeters of foam, giving you a smoother and more comfortable step, even during long-distance runs. Adaptability is another key advantage. The flex grooves in the sole help the shoe adjust to uneven ground, while the grooved protective plate shields your feet from rocks and roots, keeping you safe without limiting side-to-side movement. The Trail Tack outsole provides reliable grip on both dry and wet surfaces. It also includes drainage ports that quickly push out water and a stretchy gusseted tongue that prevents small rocks, dirt, or sand from getting inside, keeping your feet dry and comfortable. Whether you are dealing with rain, mud, or mixed terrain, these shoes deliver steady performance, giving you both safety and freedom of movement. The build is tough enough to handle many miles while maintaining the same level of support and comfort. They also come in a wide range of sizes and colors, including wider options for those who need a more spacious fit. This makes it easier to find the perfect match for your foot shape and personal style. These running shoes are versatile, durable, and lightweight, making them an excellent choice for runners who want to tackle trails with maximum comfort and protection. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect running shoes, or if there's another pair of running shoes you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.